I guess I can start where the story begins. Before I grew up, before I had friends. Firstborn, first month, I came here to win. A happy child with love, smiles, and grins. My parents were crazy because before I said a word, these people had nicknamed me Dookie Bird. From Dookie to Mookie and Mookie to Meelah, they were raising a child, a lover, fighter, a feeler. A sensitive child who cried every day. She felt everything deeply and still does to this day. But God knew that she'd grow up to share her feelings with the world. Her story, treasured journey, diary of a fat black girl. Wait, is this thing on? No, because it's fake. And I'm the fun one. I like sunshine. That's why I'm outside. We go in here. We got a guest today. She's boring, but we need to talk to her because she's going to explain all this to us with her boring stuff. We're inside our house because, you know, this is where we live. So here we go. We're going to talk to her and see what she has to say about whatever it is that we're doing. So welcome to my show. Will you just stop? You're embarrassing our mother. I'm sure she doesn't want to see you. Just dancing around on the internet. She already know what we gonna do. Come on, we're better than that. Channel. Oh. Really? Oh. Really? This is what we're doing? You're... Welcome to my YouTube channel. We've asked her to let our friends, like, watch this. Can you not? If they watch it, they won't be mad because then they'll know what's going on. I can't believe we're the same person. God. Don't know me like that. She only know you. That's who she wants us to be. You know, be president or a senator or something. She used to always say, you be a great lawyer. Who want to do that? What? Trust me, she likes me better than she likes you. She always talks about all your different hair. Why do you have to wear so much hair? Bun. They're like a granny. Bun? I like my bun. I like my natural hair. You like a granny. We too young to be acting like that. You want to sit up and you want to quilt. She does. I want to buy books. And you want to like you don't know anything all day long. The guys always go for you because you wear your boobs out. I mean, it's good to read, like but all day. You get in the way. Hours, people don't even know. You don't even eat. Of course you exist. Duh. You got all them stupid degrees and stuff. So, let her tell you about the time when she tried to kill me. What do you mean I tried to kill you? She don't want to tell y'all. How could you say that? All of that was for you. So that you can have the things that you want to do, so you can go to the places that you want to go. What do you mean I tried to kill you? I lived for you. I worked like she just would never go to parties like in high school and stuff. Like she would have a party. I would have a party, okay? I would have a party every year at my house, and it was the turn up because we had food. I'm reading and you're like, she was even doing other people's homework, y'all. You've been working too much. Let me out. Other people's homework? I will let you out when it's time. Why though? And yes, I can control you because you're me. What's up? What are we doing here? Because you know when you just do stuff, you don't even invite me. Girl, don't nobody like you. Of course people like me. Now who? There are people that like me. I don't know, the ones who read. I happen to be everyone's favorite. Because I say, I'm everyone's favorite because I am so funny. And I'm so full of myself. All you want to do is, what is that? We do know English, you know. We know other words besides and the F word. We do. We're great. We write, we read. Why do you have to go and act dumb? Tell us about yourself. Of course I want to tell them about myself. I mean, there's like a long freaking list of like stuff that I've accomplished. Of course I want to tell them. I was reading by the time I was 3. I skipped a grade. I graduated from college. I got a master's degree. I'm super smart. You're super boring. You're boring. So there. Hey, Snapster Fader. Okay, so I am headed home to like do my big reveal for everything that I've been working on for all these days. And I'm so excited about. Oh no, these heifers didn't. I'm about to pull up on it. Shh. Damn. I'm gonna tell y'all one thing. I'm nice, but they got the wrong one today. I'm not finna play. I'm not finna be turned around. If we left it up to you, all you do is party. Eat chicken wings and sleep. Yeah, I like chicken wings. Our friends had a lot to say. They talked about me and you. This is our dream. This is something that we both want. Yes, we need you. We need you a little bit, though. We don't need you that much. We really only need you because I might be doing anything crazy. I just need you to explain why, so they don't think I need to be locked up somewhere. I think you're a joke. I think you're just like everyone else. I'm a star. Fun and turning up fat. Fun and turning up fat. Fun and turning up fat. It's the remix. Turn up. I told them artists fun and turn up. This shit is so fat. Things we can be. Words matter. Okay, talking about our lives. So I don't want you just saying anything about me, because you're louder. This is not about you at all. Created for a purpose. Like, it's time. Don't you think? Oh, I hope they enjoy watching us. I'm excited. People have to meet our other side. Ooh, no. What about Missy? Ooh, that's the one, child. We're not ready to introduce her just yet. I told y'all I was pulling up on these heifers. I don't know who they think they are. They thought they was finna do this without me. What y'all think y'all doing here? Y'all ain't running nothing. It is more than just you and her. Fun and smart. What about the rest of us? We here. My name is Messy. M-E-S-S-I. And baby, T will be spilled. Don't try to act like we ain't here. What about the rest of us? Smart, you think you know everything. Because when me and Fun was getting drunk, you went home with that dude too. I will be telling it. Facts and telling it. Facts and truth. Big. Don't even try to play us. And when the rest of us show up, don't try to act like you don't know who we are. So we wasn't good enough for your first episode. We wasn't good enough. Oh, but we here though. Hey guys, don't worry about that. She'll be okay. I'll talk to her. Hi, I'm Karen, and I have a twin sister named Understanding. And don't worry about Missy. She's just pissed. Okay, she's tired of people messing. Shut up with your low budget. I got this ass. You ain't got shut up the hell you do. Low budget ass, cheap ass, whatever. Messy shows up sometimes. You think you smart? Look, she told you. I'm sure that you guys all know someone like her. Yeah, I'm Karen, and I care about you. Child. All right, Karen, we got this, girl. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Karen in there. She always want to do something for somebody else, so she be locking me up too. Oh, we can't have no fun right now. We have to go help. Oh, yeah, because that's her. Although this is silly and fun, there are some things happening here that we just need to address. They're just not smart. First of all, I love this place. So what kind of person would I be to just sit here and just watch it go down? There's going to be some crazy stuff happening. Y'all get behind it because it's real. Depression is real. Hopelessness is real. Low self-esteem is real. And hurting our brothers and sisters with judgment is real. Tearing down each other. It's real. Kids killing themselves and others. It's real. Police brutality, it's real. Racism, it's real. There's no getting over it. It's here. And it needs to be addressed. And I might be the loudest, craziest person to do it. We don't know, but I gotta try. So, can I fix all these things? Nah. Not by myself. So, I'm gonna talk about some things, my thought processes, things that a lot of people that come in contact with me, they just don't get. Biggest weaknesses. But if you watch those other videos, you know what they think is my biggest weakness. It's gonna be very real. It's a diary. We are here to support each other. And I got a bomb team, y'all. So along the way, y'all see them. And Thank y'all so much. Y'all look at this lollipop. Okay. Special thanks to Chill Cortez. I love it. And the link is below. Oh, matter of fact, while you're here, just go ahead and like and subscribe and help your girl out. And also check out his page, like and subscribe his page, because he's real and he's become my friend. He's great. And I like, don't y'all like that song? Turn up. Y'all need to talk. We need some more songs about fat girls, because we here.
Like a bow shoes, so with me she all good. Go big fine, stunting on these hoes big time. You can serve me up and I'ma give you yours big fine. Bedroom office or the living room flow big fine. Just let me know big fine.